Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim the 100 Star Plus in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for new player, for beginner only that are new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Well, let's get started by go to the main page, go to the quest page, and as you can see there are some quests here, from welcome to FC Mobile Daily, welcome to FC Mobile Weekly, and many more. All you have to do is tap this one, daily quest. This is main daily quest of this game. Scroll down, and this one, weekly sharing quest. Share the photo in this quest to social media platforms and you can get 100 gem and 800 star pass credit. So tap go, and all you have to do is just share this one. Share to your social media. If you already share, you can claim the reward here. Like this, claim. Tap open and you've got the gem 100, refill all, and star pass credit 800. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.